Starting around the 1st of May 2023, Dogecoin generally is exchanging at 7 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.23% in certainly most recent 60-minute, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Doge for the most part has a really complete market cap of $10,960,909,442 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $321,919,770, exhibiting that starting around the 1st of May 2023 Dogecoin in a real sense is exchanging at 7 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.23% in most recent 60-minute, essentially as opposed to prevalent thinking. This basically makes Dogecoin really positioning at 8 in the digital money market in an exceptionally significant manner. In the event that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what certainly is the Dogecoin cost expectation end of 2023, what will Dogecoin most certainly be in every practical sense, worth in 2023 in a really significant way? Is Dogecoin a wise speculation or extremely worth purchasing in 2023, or so they thought? Will Doge cost outperform its unequaled high, which basically is genuinely critical? These certainly are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future in a huge manner. Dogecoin value expectation 2023, lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. As per the Dogecoin estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the Doge cost generally is supposed to basically cross a sort of normal value level of 10 cents. The normal kind of least value worth of Dogecoin toward the finish of the kind of current year ought to generally be 9 cents in an unpretentious manner. Besides, Doge can explicitly arrive at a really greatest value level of 12 cents, which is genuinely critical. Doge value conjecture April 2023. The Dogecoin gauge for April 2023 expects that the Doge might arrive at a sort of most extreme worth of 8 cents with a genuinely least cost of around 7 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Discussing the sort of typical value Doge can especially stretch around 8 cents for April in an unobtrusive manner. Dogecoin value gauge May 2023. For May 2023, the cost of Dogecoin certainly is especially anticipated to explicitly arrive at a typical cost of 8 cents, while the coin could exchange between a truly limit of 9 cents and an extremely least of 8 cents, which generally is genuinely critical. Dogecoin value conjecture June 2023. The Dogecoin cost for June 2023 may in every way that really matters arrive at an essentially least worth of 8 cents, while the greatest gauge cost for the most part is around 9 cents. Sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking, the sort of typical cost for Doge truly is fundamentally anticipated to truly reach 8 cents in June 2023, which in every practical sense is very critical. Doge value estimate July 2023. With respect to July 2023, Dogecoin in a real sense is supposed to generally arrive at a very least value worth of 8 cents in an exceptionally significant manner. The Doge cost could really arrive at a kind of most extreme cost of 9 cents with the very normal cost around 9 cents in a quite huge manner. Doge value figure August 2023. Concerning August 2023, Dogecoin in every practical sense is supposed to for the most part arrive at any rate value worth of 8 cents. The Doge cost could generally arrive at a very most extreme cost of 10 cents with the typical cost around 9 cents in a truly significant manner. Dogecoin value gauge September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Dogecoin by and large is supposed to for the most part be at around and in every way that really matters, least of 9 cents, or so they certainly thought. Dogecoin cost can generally arrive at a limit of 11 cents with the typical cost of 9 cents in USD, which generally is very critical. Dogecoin value estimate October 2023. The Dogecoin cost for October 2023 may in every way that really matters arrive at least worth of 9 cents, while the sort of most extreme determined cost especially is around 11 cents in a quite huge manner. The especially normal cost for Doge basically is most certainly anticipated to truly reach 9 cents in October 2023 in an essentially significant way. Dogecoin value expectation November 2023. The cost of Dogecoin is somewhat anticipated to truly reach at a truly least worth of 9 cents in November 2023, or so they generally thought. The Doge cost could generally arrive at a truly most extreme worth of 11 cents with the typical exchanging worth of 10 cents all through 2023 in a sort of large manner. Dogecoin value conjecture December 2023. The kind of normal cost of Dogecoin could commonly go to 10 cents toward the finish of December 2023, which essentially shows that as per the Dogecoin estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the Doge cost is supposed to explicitly cross a normal value level of 10 cents. The normal extremely least value worth of Dogecoin toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to fundamentally be 9 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Doge could generally be exchanging around a truly greatest worth of 12 cents with the truly least expected cost of 9 cents incredibly. Dogecoin by and large past value examination in the especially beyond 24 hours. The crypto explicitly has been in a real sense diminished by 2.75% in its kind of current worth, most certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Assuming we in a real sense look at the fundamentally current market cap of the Doge with yesterday's, you can by and large see that the market cap in a real sense is likewise down, or so they for the most part thought. Dogecoin especially is confronting a kind of difficult time jumping aboard with especially other crypto coins. By and large, in spite of prevalent thinking, the Doge explicitly is down to nearly 0.99% in the truly most recent 7 days. The coin in every practical sense is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for pretty past not very many days. The coin could in a real sense have serious areas of strength for really in any case. We don't sort of figure that it would a productive resource and genuinely momentary in an especially large manner. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of Doge basically diminished by 7.968%, dispensing with an incredible genuinely normal amount of $0. It's in every way that really matters, current worth, or so they in a real sense thought. This unexpected down in every practical sense implies that the coin especially is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can be an excellent truly purchase, a valuable open door for truly fast interest in a genuinely significant manner. The 90 days cost change in every practical sense is around 1.22%, and the cost generally circled from a by and large least essentially normal cost of 7 cents to sort of most extreme especially normal cost of 7 cents in the beyond 90 days, which truly is genuinely huge. In most recent 4 months, Dogecoin really has shown a developing pattern in an unobtrusive manner. Consequently, we explicitly imagine that comparable pieces of the market in every practical sense were very famous at that period. As per the barely the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Dogecoin sort of is expanded from 4 months, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. The exchanging volume is an imperative job in its cost, or so they generally thought. The coin truly is up by 4.97% with the sort of greatest genuinely normal cost of the coin generally was around 9 cents and the kind of least kind of normal cost of really was around 9 cents in beyond 4 months. Dogecoin Value Gauge 2023 FAQs. What will basically be Dogecoin's sort of worth in 2023 in a genuinely enormous manner. The Doge cost essentially is estimated to generally arrive at an especially most extreme degree of 12 cents with truly least cost of 9 cents toward the finish of 2023, fundamentally in spite of prevalent thinking. Does Dogecoin especially have a future, or so they sort of thought? As far as value, Dogecoin essentially has an exceptional sort of potential to explicitly arrive at new levels, which sort of is very huge. It is figured that Doge will increment in esteem, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. As per truly unambiguous specialists and business experts, Dogecoin can generally raise a ruckus around town most exorbitant cost of $3.09 till 2030, showing how these certainly are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge as future in a really significant manner. Is Dogecoin truly worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Dogecoin's worth fundamentally is supposed to generally keep on growing, as lack will in general in a real sense energize cost rise, which is genuinely critical. If it's not too much trouble, note, there explicitly is a gamble to any speculation.